Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Pontiac has less than 149,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, power windows, and window defogger.